In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Outlook. It's a simple process, but one that ensures your account stays secure, especially when you're using a shared or public computer. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Make sure you're logged into your account if you aren't already. Once you've reached your inbox, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the top right corner of the screen, you will notice your profile icon. This icon is typically represented by a circle that may display your initials, a photo, or a generic user silhouette, depending on how you've personalized your account. The profile icon serves as a gateway to account management features, including the sign out option. Hover over or click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is where all your profile-related options live. Now, look closely at this menu. You should see several options here, perhaps your account details or other Microsoft-related services. What you're looking for here is the Sign Out button. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on Sign Out. This action will promptly log you out of your Outlook account, ensuring that nobody else can access your sensitive emails or personal information. It's a simple yet crucial step, especially when safeguarding your privacy. After clicking Sign Out, you may be directed to Outlook's login page. Take a moment here to confirm that you've successfully signed out of your account. You can do this by checking that the page now requests your login credentials again. If that's the case, congratulations, you've successfully signed out of Outlook. If you're working on a shared or public device, an additional precaution is to clear the browser's cache and cookies after signing out. This extra step helps in making sure that none of your